house of this very rich person. You could see some of the mosaics, how they expanded in the 1st century. Started getting more designs. No images yet, but at least designs, more color, no different than the bathhouse that we saw. And in one of his outdoor beautiful courtyards, he has these mosaics here. Again, black and white, basic mosaics, stone mosaics on the floor, and then over there more basic on the far end, going down the runway all the way around. So almost like on that far end again, maybe squares. Then the frescoes that we see later in churches, you could see some of these type of things here on the walls. Even here we could see on this side. You can see here on the walls how they have some of those colors, similar colors later on in some of the churches and catacombs. Again, here's some mosaics, even very small fine stones on this one. And again, a room with like frescoes in the area and different images on each side. And a lot of blues and reds, even up there. This is just probably a civil rich man in the city of Pompeii.